This is a demo on how to view the same data with different view settings by using different monitor tabs in Allego. This is useful, for example, if you wanted to view spikes in one monitor tab and LFPs in the other. We've got simulated data and we've got 64 channels on port A. We can start by opening our monitor tab. We have some default view settings right here, but if we wanted to have monitor view settings that are a bit more conducive to viewing units, then we can hit this preset. That changes these to some values that are nice for units and also puts on a visualization bandpass filter, which is a filter that's only applied to this monitor and no other tabs. We can rename this to units. We can open up another monitor, call it LFP, and we can get our windows. So now for LFP, this has got the default view settings again, but we can hit fields, and that adjusts the channel height and spacing and such so that it's nice to look at LFPs. If you wanted the channels to be the same size, then you can do that manually. Now it's a bit easier to see one channel's LFP and the other channel's spikes. You can also change this view down here so you can kind of see it hamburger style. One more thing I want to touch on is that you can change these visualization bandpass filters so you can customize your views as well. For example, you could change this one to your lower frequencies, so say delta, and we can rename this one beta. And then we will change this to be more of the beta frequencies. And then we can adjust our ranges as so to see the data a bit better. So now you can see different frequency ranges and compare them live during an experiment.